What you're looking at is the Olight Marauder Mini. Now, why am I doing this outside? Because where else would we be testing out a light? In my opinion, this is the most powerful handheld light that I've ever seen. I cannot tell you right now just how amazing this particular light is. It has an awesome rubber overmolding which is textured. Oh my goodness. The body is all aluminum. It is solid, and look at this. Can you see that? It's really hard to see back up, but these are some awesome magnification, a whole bunch of LEDs. The strongest light I have ever seen that I held in my hand, and it's smaller than my hand. Look at this. Look at that. It is smaller than my hand. All right, go ahead, take a guess. What do you think the lumens are coming out of this? All right, 7,000. 7,000 lumens. Now it has a couple different things on here that you need to know about. This dial right here, we turn it on and we turn this dial. It goes all the way from 100 lumens to 7,000. This is so bright. I actually can't point this at the camera, and I can't even look at it because it will Whew, wow, that is bright. That is so bright. It will blind you. Now this has so many great qualities about it that we're just going to have to go through just about everything, because you need to know more about this light. You need this light. I think everyone needs this particular light for one huge reason. The capabilities and the abilities of something this small that you can just haul. This is great for first responders. This is great for anyone. It's just great. If you're going camping, it's great for signaling. I mean, you could see this from a helicopter. Now get this. It has two different types of light. This is called the floodlight, and it lights up everything. But you also have a magnifying light. As soon as you flip this little switch right there, see, it goes up and down. It actually goes to a beam of light, and it throws the light. Take a guess. How many? It's like 600 meters. It's like 2,000 feet. Yes, I'm not lying. 2,000 feet, right around 2,000 feet is what this light will throw the light. It's absolutely incredible. Now, not only does it have those two different modes, and it has variability between those modes. Now, the light in the lumens that comes out on the throwing one, well, that is just about 900 lumens, but it's magnified so you can throw it as far as possible. The 7,000 lumens, well, that's an incredible type of light. But you also have different lights. You have a red light, you have a blue light, you have all these different lights that you can actually turn on. And how you do that is you go, well, you can do it in either mode. You just hold the button, just like so. And so you got a red, you got a green, you got a blue, and then you have your typical. So red, green, blue are the different lights that you have, and they come in different intensities as well. Now this actually came in some awesome packaging. I'm talking like Apple level packaging. It was slick. It was great. They welcome you to the family whenever you buy one of these. It's just simply incredible whenever you buy one of these, how much thought that they put into packaging. Now, how do you charge it? Well, that's pretty simple. It's a magnetic charge right on the back right here. And that just charges it right up through magnetic, but this is water resistant as well. And if we take a look right here, you're gonna see two, all right, focus. You're gonna see two O-rings right there. And then you're going to see this is a 32650 cell, 650 milliamp hours, 3.7 volt battery that actually goes into here, and it is rechargeable. This is an awesome looking battery, but it just goes right in there. So that means you can replace this battery if you absolutely need to. All right, so we've got this all powered up and we're good to go. Now, what you need to do is do some more research on this. You can go to the website down below and you can see for yourself, but I'm gonna have a little bit of fun with this light and hopefully you're gonna get a good idea just how good this particular light is. I am so excited to have this light. Okay, so this is my barn and it's about 2,000 square feet, somewhere around there. You can see that the sun has gone down. Let's see here. All right, this is the spotlight. That's on the lowest setting of the spotlight. That's the highest. Oh my goodness, that's so bright. All right, let's switch to the flood. We'll go back down. Okay, so this is the 100 lumen on the particular lowest floodlight. Let's go up gradual. All right, and that is fully bright. Look at that. Is that not absolutely incredible? That lights up my entire barn. Oh, you can see my house in the background. Oh, look at this. You can see my entire house. All right, so I'm gonna, gosh, so bright. I'm gonna walk, see if you can see me all the way back here. I can't see. I am back in my barn and I am so impressed with how this light did. This Marauder Mini from Olight has really good construction. The technology's great in it. The power is absolutely insane. Who would think that you could get 7,000 lumens out of something like this? Light up an entire area, an entire house, light up a barn, light up the woods. You can spotlight just about anything. So if you really need to see far away, really far away, and you can pinpoint a spotlight something, that's where this is going to come in handy. But everyone, I hope that you do your own research. You take a look yourself, go look at other reviews, read about it, and then check them out. Give it a chance, give it a try. I only say that because I really do believe in this one. This is unlike any other small handheld flashlight I've ever had. So everyone, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Please share the video. It helps my channel. It helps us spread information about tools, getting people back into projects, using their hands, really learning, making mistakes, gaining more knowledge, and then passing on that to someone else. And until next time, everyone, take care. We'll see you soon.